Hello, my name is Alex Strauss, and today we're going to learn how to make a steam locomotive, a tender, a coach, and a caboose out of just a few Angry Bird blocks. First and this is what it's going to look like when you're finished. The front is it's a bit dark in the front, but right here is a snowplow, and here's the front, and this is a headlight, and the headlight holder and the funnel. And if you look very well, I'll show you that part. Never mind. So first, we're going to take apart this locomotive, and we're going to organize our parts. It may look like you have a lot of parts when they're unorganized, but you need a lot to build this steam locomotive, tender, caboose, and coach car. Okay, so now that we've got all our parts sorted, some are a little bit farther than the camera, so I'll push them in. So first, to start, we're going to build the locomotive. So we're going to take one of these, a big piece, and we're going to set it down right over here. You see, if you look very closely, you can see that on the lines of this carpet look like train tracks, so that's why I placed the wood there. That's not all for the steam locomotive. We need more, so now we're going to take one of these stone block, and we're going to place it in the front. There's also an inside, but make sure that part is facing in. So then we're going to take a little piece and place it behind the front. So that makes the front and the boiler. Now we're going to take a triangle, make sure the hole is facing in, place it in front so it can make the snowplow. Need to push it a little bit forward. Oops. Now we're going to take, hold on. Okay, so you can see right there is the steam locomotive that's unfinished. And now, hold on. Okay, sorry. And now we're going to take one of these with the hole in it and place it on top of the boiler to make the cab. Now we're going to take another little part and place it on top of the cab. Then we're going to take our only little stone brick and place it on top of the front. That will be the headlight holder. Then we're going to take this, our other square stone brick, make sure that this part, that the hole, is facing up so the smoke can come out. Only we're not going to put any smoke in, but we could. And now we're going to put on the headlight. Whatever number you want the train to be, it has to face on the top. I'm going to make this train number 1. So you just completed your locomotive. Oops. Well, that's a fender bender. I'll repair this thing. Okay, so now we're going to make the tender. Tender is very easy. Just need 2 big bricks. Put them together. Make sure there's a very teeny space in the middle so the conductor or the engineer or the fireman could walk across to shovel coal. Now we're going to put the coal on, which is a long stone brick. And that's our only long stone brick. So now we have the engine and the tender. Now we're going to make the coach. So you take a flat brick, make sure there's a normal space between the tender and the flat brick. Take a little piece, then you're going to put it right smack in the middle of it. Then you're going to take our 2 windows, make sure the ends are facing down, and put them on top of the small plate. Now we're going to take our other small plates, put one on the side like this, put the other on the other side, and now we're going to take our last small flat plate and put it on top of our windows. So right now we have our locomotive, our tender, and our coach car. As you can see, it makes a great texture when the trees hang over the locomotive and all its cars. So now we're going to come back around here. We're going to build the caboose. We use the caboose with our very last parts. First, take all of the wood and put them all together. Sorry about that. This is just my dad talking. So we're going to put them all together. May seem like it's finished, but not yet. We need the top part. So you're going to take this piece, with another one with a hole in it, and place it right about at the end of your caboose. You're going to take your very last triangle and put it on top of the top part. So our locomotive, caboose, tender, and coach are all finished, and that is how you can build it. Bye. Tune in for more videos about how to. I make how to complete it. I make how to do levels, and how to tutorials, and how to build things out of simple stuff. I am crazy about trains. Goodbye.